Hey, Kevin! Check it out. FAU, UAB, more action. Still catching up. A little bit behind here. Here's a drive. Kick out. No drive. Trying to get the in post. Oh, a little touch pass like this. Oh, the dunk. Oh, looks like Burden McHale. Are you kidding me, man? What touch pass? UAB getting it. Ah, he gets double teamed right there. It is in the paint for the slam and the flush in your face. Oh, one more time. Needed a zoo. Oh, he's got in front of two. He could have just went in and dunked it. But no, the other help comes over. Almost a triple team. Oh, he recognizes the cut from the wing. And he goes up for the slam, playing above the rim. Rim ragger. Send it in for the beautiful play. Big time, hey, Kevin basketball coming your way.